Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Bacon Sword in KSFE Easy Method. First, open KSFE and sign in, then head to the Shop section where rare items appear. Look for the Bacon Sword in seasonal or rotating items and confirm required price in coins or tokens. Save before purchase if the game supports it, and prepare any extra currency needed to avoid missing the drop. To secure the Bacon Sword, focus on gathering the right currency and items ahead of time. Prioritize daily missions and event quests that grant tokens or coins and consolidate duplicates into saleable resources. Avoid impulse spending on non-essentials right before a shop rotation. If trading is allowed, exchange unneeded items for currency to bridge any shortfall, ensuring you're ready when the Bacon Sword appears. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making quick guides like this. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers seen here make catching snacks easy between grind sessions, and they sit on your desk without drama. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Now let's get back to the video. When the Bacon Sword appears, move fast but stay calm. Open the Limited Items tab immediately, confirm the price and any purchase limit, then double-check your balance. If prompted, accept the confirmation to finalize the purchase and watch for success indicators like a toast or inventory update. If the purchase fails, retry after checking connectivity and currency. Patience and speed together make the easy method reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.